Kaspa mentioned by huge Bitcoin news company. And we're about to dive into it like we always do, Caspians. If you're interested, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family, and also become a Patreon. I have massive projects on the Patreon that have been getting my patrons gains, and you know, those profits you could use to buy more Kaspa or projects you have higher conviction on. If you're looking for lower cap projects, you want to get into lower cap projects, you have to become a patron. Link to that is in the description. And right here we have from Dr. Martin, they'll need to change the handle to becausekaspa.com, making a bit of a joke because because the company, news company, becausebitcoin.com is continuously talks about Kaspa. New all-time high alert. Cas, a BB Discord favorite, has just made a new all-time high of 0.69 cent. Kaspa currency is a proof-of-work asset created by Jonathan and continues to make noise across the crypto market. Kaspa once again climbs another rank higher in market cap rankings. Right here we have the official tweet from becausebitcoin.com, verified news Bitcoin company in New York, and they're saying this is a favorite for their company, and Kaspa is climbing to new all-time highs. From Dr. Martin once again, Solana research mentions DAG implementation as a step towards adoption. Why aren't we there yet? So this is Solana research. That's very interesting. Solana research now mentioning Kaspa. Why aren't we there yet? The disappointment of crypto has always been narrowness of its real-world use. The industry produced a truly formidable wave of research breakthrough in the 15 years since the creation of Bitcoin, leading to practical and scalable implementations of the following technologies among many others: distributed consensus for sequential DAG-based and resource-oriented blockchains, zero-knowledge attestations for identity, generic message relays for asset bridging, trustless oracles for price feeds and other relays, verifiable computation for off-chain software, rollups capable of guaranteeing economic or cryptographic security. This embarrassment of riches could power on enormous range of practical use cases, so why hasn't it? More pointedly, why is that even though Bitcoin, Ethereum, and concepts of blockchains and crypto generally succeeded in permeating public consciousness during past bull markets, most people have never used any blockchain-based services in their daily lives until DAG-based oriented sequential technology. Until that, Solana research. And this is why they mention DAG-based technology here, right? Because they know, let's be honest, that's what Jonathan is aiming to accomplish, right? It's for people to use crypto in their daily lives. What is the ultimate peer-to-peer electronic cash system gonna do? People are gonna use Kaspa to transact instead of any other protocol, right? That's the goal, and that's what Kaspa is achieving right before our eyes. Nice spot from Dr. Martin from Cryptic Nation. At rank 38, Kas market dominance is 0.114%. If total market cap of crypto reaches 10 trillion by the end of the upcoming bull run, then even at a small market cap of 0.114%, Kas will be $114 billion in market cap, which puts Kas at $4 per Kaspa. And again, I wouldn't be shocked. Those are the targets I'm looking for. But Kaspa will be in the top 10, and its market cap is going to be way higher. $3 to $5 for Kas is program. Those are my targets I'm looking at for Kas, guys. If you guys think another 100x from a billion market cap is impossible, you guys have never seen a bull run in its phase, right? In a full bull run phase. You guys have never actually seen it, man. Projects be at a billion market cap and run to 30 billion, 50 billion, 100 billion. Look at Cardano and many others. And let's be honest here. Look around at the space. Every project that you know, every project that you hold in your portfolio, and then look at Kaspa, right? Look at Kaspa and tell me that this project is not $100 billion asset. It's not worth $100 billion, man. So again, those are my targets, man. $3 to $5 for Cas program. I truly think that's going to happen. This is Dan. Cas market cap relative to current and all-time high market caps of Ethereum. We are early. Things to come. Rust mainnet. Dagnite update. 100 BPS. Smart contracts. No Binance, no Kraken, no Crypto.com, no Coinbase. Let's take a look at the comparisons here. So Kaspa with Ethereum's all-time high puts it at $26, 389x from here, and for Kaspa to get to Ethereum's current all-time high puts it at $10, which is a 155x. Again, I'm not gonna be super moon boy and say a $30 Cas or $20 Cas, even a $10 Cas, but $1 to $5 Cas, yeah, I do see that being possible. I truly see that being possible this cycle, right? Kaspa news. Cas creates 1 block per second. Kaspa will create 10 blocks per second very soon, and Cas's vision is 100 blocks per second. Very soon, Kaspa is going to be a non-comparable level in scalability while having robust security, even better than Bitcoin, and also all the same decentralization as Bitcoin. So right here, you guys saw this video when I talked about it previously, where Bitcoin, look at how slow Bitcoin is. Look at how slow Bitcoin is. Even with 10 BPS going live for the mainnet, look at how fast Kaspa is to Bitcoin. This is 1 block for Bitcoin. Look at Cas, 10 blocks per second. You know, the speed will just keep increasing for Cas, and it's gonna blow people away, man. This is the altcoin that's gonna blow people away, and they're gonna be FOMOing in. They're gonna FOMO in, man. They weren't listening when we brought all the technology, all the information in the early days to them, telling them, hey, Jonathan, the creator of Ghost, y'all love Ethereum, and Ghost is in all these protocols, y'all love this project or that project. Guess what? Jonathan is in the white paper, cited as the creator of Ghost with Aviv Zohar, man. You know, like, come on. You know, it's still not too late. It's still early. Don't be the guy buying Kaspa at $1, $2. Braver Crypto. As I approach my 100x on Kaspa, follow express worry, I assume, because that milestone could cause me to sell. My goal with Kaspa is a range of 3,891x to 6,485x ROI, which is a price range of $3 to $5 by peak bull. So no, fam, you don't need to be worried about me getting 100x with Kaspa and then leaving, right? So this is the thing, people at, like, right now, to use Braver Crypto as an example, right now we're in a point in time where the diamond hands will, you know, outperform the traders. if you are just holding your projects at this point in time, you're gonna outperform the traders, the people that are jumping from project to project, trying to get gains here, gains there. Nope. If you just hold, like, you just hold your Kaspa, for example, or other projects you have conviction on, this is the time where you just, you know, keep DCAing and just diamond hand them, man. That's it, right? And you're gonna outperform everyone else in the market. It's that simple. We're in the simple phase for crypto now. It's easy now. We're on easy mode. We are on easy mode for Moonvember going into the next year, because the halving is very close, right? There's no need to overthink anymore. From Muhovit, you still fading generational wealth? Are you? Are you fading generational wealth? 69% of the whales are buying in the KuCoin gem box. Cash right now breaking out once again, sitting at 739 cent. Just was at 74 cent, and it just keeps climbing. Look at this. All the whales on KuCoin, 69% of the whales are buying cash, man. I'm telling you guys, don't be left out. Don't get left behind. Bitcoin Gold x Kaspa Silver, 7 cents, boys. Kaspa just hit 7 cents, another new all-time high for today. Congrats. I like his name, Bitcoin Gold Kaspa Silver, and the image. Ooh, that's a nice image. I like that. That's pretty clean right there. I like that, man. But yeah, new all-time high after all-time high, man. Chris JS from the 50s to the 40s and now the 30s. Kas is heading for the top 10 by market cap, and it's really no surprise if you've done your research. Like, that's it. Just do your research on the project. You will be impressed. If you haven't, then you really should. This is a rare opportunity to get in early on a game-changing project. And yes, it's still early. A lot of people gonna think 1.5 billion is late to cast. Right now, how much is 10,000 cast? Let me take a look at CMC real quick. Hold on. I gotta see how much is 10,000 cast, man. Let's see what we got, man. Let's see what we got before I close out the video. So 10,000 cast right now. 10,000 cast is 741. 20,000 cast, $1,500 for 20,000 cast, man. Right? That's still, that's still attainable for the average person. $1,500 gets you 20,000 cast. That's still attainable. And say you have that 20,000, right? 20,000 cast, and Kaspa does go to $5, which a lot of people are predicting. That's 100K. That's 6 figures for the bull run. You know, you ain't gonna be happy for 6 figures. Come on, man. I'll be happy for 6 figures. I'll be happy for that. From like $1,500 invested, you turn that to 100K. Come on. But yeah, that's about it, Caspians. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos with your friends and family. Spread the word of Cas, man. Tell your auntie, your niece, your nephew, everybody. Let's get people guaranteed gains in crypto, so people stop saying crypto is a scam. Crypto is only a scam if you're buying the wrong projects, right? That's the only way it's a scam. And once again, join the Patreon. Link to that is in the description. I told you guys there have some patrons that already are in profits on some of the plays in the Patreon. You don't want to miss out on the Patreon. Join the Patreon, man. I'm telling you, we are making gains on there. Don't miss it. Link is in the description. Thank you so much again for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.